After you've invoiced customers, they pay you. Great! Now you need to receive that payment in QuickBooks. If you use sales receipts, stop. You received the payments as you recorded the sales receipt, so you don't have to do this step. Another way to skip this step is to use your phone or a check reader to deposit your checks. Or use QuickBooks Payments to get paid online and have that payment automatically entered into QuickBooks. To start receiving a payment, go to the Create menu and choose Receive Payments. Then choose the customer who paid you. Enter the date you got paid, then choose how this customer paid you. For this video, we'll go with a check. For the reference number, enter the check number. Let's talk about where you deposit this money. When you receive payments that you're going to take to the bank to deposit in a group, choose the Undeposited Funds account. Undeposited funds is like a bank deposit bag. You put checks and cash into it at the end of the day. It's just a place to hold the money until you deposit it into one of your accounts. If you have already deposited this payment, choose the account you deposited it to. Next, if QuickBooks is showing you an invoice for this customer that they've paid with this payment, select that invoice. Look at the amount. If it's what your customer paid you, great. If it's not, change it to the actual amount of money you received. If the customer didn't pay you the full amount of the invoice, QuickBooks will keep track of how much they still owe you. Click Save and New to save this payment and open a new form to enter another payment. Or choose Save and Close if you're done. Now let's say you've gone to the bank and deposited a group of payments you put into undeposited funds. You need to record your deposit in QuickBooks. If you group the payment with other checks by selecting Deposit to Undeposited Funds, they appear automatically on the deposit page. Select each payment that you deposited. Make sure the payment method is correct and that the ref number has the check number in it for each check payment. The total of this deposit, including all payments, should match the deposit slip or deposit receipt you filled out or got from the bank. Click Save and Close if you're done recording deposits. Now QuickBooks knows that this deposit, which will show up as one line when it's downloaded from your bank, includes multiple payments. Now it's your turn. Try receiving a recent payment from a customer in QuickBooks.